What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. I got this piece from Lowe's, the little Mower deck washing kit. I didn't get the piece for some reason, as you can see. I didn't get the piece on there, so I had to go buy it, which is like 13 bucks. They told me, because what happened was when I bought it, it didn't have the manual with it, and they said if you need a manual, call troy-bilt and they'll send you a manual. But what they didn't tell me is that this freaking piece is in the pack with the manual, which I have no idea why they would even do that. So, but yeah, anyway, I got this piece. This will be my first time doing it, so for people who want to know how to do it, they can use this. I'll be doing it for the first time. So let's go. Alright, so you take the piece snaps right on. Easy enough. Now you connect your hose. Alright, so after you connect your hose, the first thing you want to do is lower your deck all the way down to the ground. So make sure you put your mower in a spot that you don't care about the grass or doesn't have grass. Alright, now you turn on the water. Alright, so you let that run for about a minute or two, and after you do that, then you're going to cut the lawnmower on and engage the blade. Okay, that. After that, let the water run for a little bit and you're done. If you got any questions, leave it in the comment box. I don't know if I'll be able to answer it because it's the first time me doing this, but leave it anyway. Alright, thanks for watching.